welcome to One Life Rally channel. Today we are here in beautiful Prague, visiting our friends at AP course to have a look at some awesome supercars that you may even witness on our One Life Rally this June, or maybe you just might want to purchase one. Come on, let's go have a look. Okay, so our friends have been kind enough today to give me that is, this key here for the beautiful Ferrari Pista 488. Come on, let's have a look. Now this car is beautiful. I have never ever seen this car before in my life, face to face. So come on, let's see what makes the Pista 488 so special. Let's have a look. We'll start straight away, guys, at the front of the car. I mean, Ferrari just has such beautiful craftsmanship. This color here, guys, the fantastic thing about the color, this is a custom color for Ferrari. A matte gray grigio. This is a custom color. You can't get this on every single Ferrari. I'm pretty sure that this is only for this Ferrari. As you can see, look how beautiful that paint is. The amazing thing about this car, because it is so custom and it is quite rare, you cannot buy this car unless you already have a pre-existing Ferrari. So that means you need to be a customer already with Ferrari, sort of like an Hermes, as they would say. There is a bit of a waiting list for this car. This car is super duper fast, guys. It has 720 horsepower, 3.8 liter engine. Come, let's go have a look at the engine quickly. Look at this craftsmanship, full carbon. It's just beautiful. This engine is turbocharged. It's V8, 3.9 liter, 720 horsepower. So this beast goes really, really fast. If you're planning on going on One Life Rally this year, I don't think anyone will be able to catch up with you in this one. Fantastic thing about this car is it is a little bit lighter than the normal 488, which is fantastic for aerodynamics. It's very, very light. It can be a collectible as well if you do decide to purchase this beautiful beast. You can have it as a collector's, you can have it sitting in your garage. So as I said before, the paint is a custom paint job. So this is a color that you can only get for the 488 Pista. It has full carbon features, as you can see through here. On the skirting, it's just absolutely beautiful. The carbon complements the color so well, all the way through. Interesting detail that they left, the rims aren't carbon, but they still perfectly complement the coloring of the car, especially the yellow disc brakes. They just look so beautiful, especially when you're driving. That small detail just takes it to the next level. Look at these beautiful curves, guys. This car is just phenomenal. And just one more quick thing I wanted to show you guys. When you stand towards the front of the car, like I said, it's the small details that they thought about. The beautiful yellow Ferrari symbol, and as you can see, the yellow lines and stitching on the seats just complements and ties everything together so beautifully. This is definitely a toy that every man wants to have in their beautiful car collection. Come over here, guys. I'm gonna pop the hood open for you so I can show you guys the boot. Now, same with all Ferraris, the boot is at the front, the engine is towards the back. Even though the boot is small, it still has space for a small carry-on compartment, so you can still take some luggage with you if you are planning on taking something like this to One Life Rally. It is quite deep, so you can easily pop one suitcase here and another one on top and still have a bit of space. The interesting thing is, like I said, guys, this car is so light. Like, I am literally holding the bonnet here and I cannot feel it. It is as light as a feather, all carbon. It's just absolutely beautiful. And we drop the bonnet down and it just clicks into place like that. So it's very simple, user-friendly and beautiful. Let's hop inside and have a look and see what the interior looks like. So as you can see, when we peek into the car straight away, there's this beautiful detailing on the seats. The yellow has been carried through into the car, which sort of ties it together beautifully, because you can see, like I said before, the disc brakes and the little yellow stitching on the seating just looks phenomenal. Let's hop inside and have a look and see. Wow, I mean, look at that, guys. How beautiful. I have not seen a car this beautiful in my life. Let's hop inside and have a look. Wow. Like I said, guys, this car has full carbon features all the way through, interior and exterior. As you can see, all the way through the car. It's those little simple details that take the Ferrari 488 Pista to the next level. It is absolutely beautiful. Have a look here as well. The yellow horse. It's just those little simple details that make you say, wow, this is an amazing car. Another great thing about this car is even though they are race car seats, they are extremely comfortable, guys. I have experience, and I'm sure a lot of you have as well. Some supercars, sports cars, the race seats can be a little bit firm, uncomfortable for longer rides, but definitely this has a lot of cushioning and it's very, very comfortable. The Alcantara leather, like I said to you guys, suede, it looks absolutely beautiful. It's nice and soft to the skin. They thought of everything for this car. Like, I'm honestly, guys, gobsmacked and lost for words. It is phenomenal. Have a look at this detailing. Look at this carbon. It is absolutely beautiful. Another great thing about the car, guys, is look at the mats. They are hard. It is not a material mat, which is fantastic. If your sneakers or your shoes get a little bit dirty, sometimes it is so much more easier to quickly clean and wipe this up. So you'll never have an issue of someone dirtying your beautiful Pista. This car, guys, has absolutely every feature you could possibly think of. Navigation, rear cameras. We'll have a look at that in a second. But I just want to show you this wheel, guys. Start, stop. It's just beautiful. Even the wheel has carbon detailing. It just takes that luxury to the next level. So the engine, guys, is 7-speed dual clutch. We have the paddle shifts back here. This is absolutely my favorite feature. I love vehicles that have these. I call them Tiptronic, even though it's not Tiptronic, they're paddle shifts. It's just absolutely beautiful. You legit feel like you're driving a Formula car. All right, guys, I'm sure you all want to hear what I want to hear as well. How does this baby sound? So let's start this baby up and see how it sounds. OMG, it legit sounds like I have a beast in my engine. I cannot explain how loud this vehicle is. All right, guys, let's rev this baby and see what she sounds like. Guys, this car is definitely a showstopper. Pulling up to One Life Rally in this vehicle will definitely turn some heads. It is amazing. Another great thing about the Ferrari Pista 488, even though it is quite a low vehicle, it's still easy to get out of. It's not extremely low to the point where you feel like you're struggling to get out of the car. It's, like I said, very, very user-friendly. Look at that baby. Isn't she gorgeous? Like I said, guys, it does have rear view cameras. Come have a look. It is hidden here underneath the carbon, so you can't see the cameras, and it still looks like it's a nice feature of the car. Dual exhaust pipes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vehicle as much as I did. Ferrari 488 Pista is absolutely beautiful. Thanks once more to our friends at AP Course for letting us have a look at this beautiful Ferrari Pista 488, which we may even see at One Life Rally this year. Don't forget to sub to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.